Lupin Pharmaceuticals in association with Higher Secondary Principals Forum.
Myself, Mrs. Pranali Satyen Pelekar, teaching in V.R. Gaus Memorial Higher Secondary School, Navedi, Sakli, Goa. It gives me an immense pleasure to express my gratitude towards Prudent Media and Principal Forum. Prudent Media is #1 TV channel of Goa pertaining to news in English, Konkani, and also several educational programs. First of all, I would like to thank Prudent Media for giving us an opportunity to broadcast our lesson on Prudent Scholar. I appreciate entire team of Prudent Media for taking so much of efforts and showing patience to telecast the video on Prudent Scholar. We have seen many lessons on national channel, but this is the first Goan TV channel who took keen interest in telecasting the lesson of Goa board syllabus during this pandemic. COVID-19 has an immense impact on educational institute not only in Goa but all over the world. During this pandemic, students have suffered a lot. They are facing many problems, like they have the network issue, they don't have money to buy the new cell, they face financial problem, but it's a Prudent Media in collaboration with Lupin Pharma and Principal Forum who took initiative and provided a platform for students to learn their subject matter without attending the classes. I sincerely appreciate your hard work and efforts. It was very difficult for us to give a lesson in the class without the students, but we have learned many things through this online teaching. It was a wonderful experience. From the bottom of my heart, I wish Prudent Media and its entire team for completing 14 years of your service in this field and wish you all the best in your future endeavor. Thank you.
Hello, I'm teacher Famina Dias, representing Father Ragnell Higher Secondary School, Pilar. My experience with Prudent Scholars is truly admirable. The positive exposure we got as teachers to reach out to the students of SSC and 12th standard across Goa in this period of pandemic through Prudent Scholars is highly commendable. A word of appreciation to the principal of Hegrever Higher Secondary for providing us with a lovely ambience for the shoot and being there to assure all the possible help and support. Many of us are camera shy, but I would like to acknowledge the technical staff of Prudent TV for being positive and encouraging, which made us feel comfortable and at ease during the shoot. The overall experience was worth cherishing. Prudent TV has been doing a fabulous service through their news, updates, debates, discussions, interviews, and so on. And this novel initiative of going a step further through Prudent Scholars and reaching out to students across Goa, especially the ones answering the board exams this year, the SSC and the 12th. In this period of pandemic, providing them with daily lectures through different teachers in various subjects is indeed a great venture. I salute this great noble task taken up by Prudent Scholars, and I congratulate the whole team of Prudent TV as they complete 14 years of glorious service in giving the very best to Goa. Thanks.
Hello everyone. Myself, Dinesh Kunkalekar, teacher grade 1, teaching sociology at Shiroda Higher Secondary School, Karai, Shiroda, Goa. My first encounter with Prudent camera was overwhelming. It was a lifetime experience for me, and I'm sure it is going to boost my teaching learning career. I express my sincere gratitude to the Prudent Media, Lupin Pharmaceutical Company, and the Principal Forum for raising this wonderful platform to reach out to all the student community all over Goa during this COVID-19 pandemic. On the occasion of 14th anniversary of the Prudent Media, I wish them all the best and successful journey ahead. Thank you.
नमस्कार. हांव रघुवीर देसाय मडगांवच्या रोजरी उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालयात कोंकणी विशय शिकयतां. प्रुडंट मिडियान सुरू केल्ल्या प्रुडंट स्कॉलर्स हे येवजणे खाला म्हाका एक पाठ शिकोवपाची संद मेळ्ळी आनी पुराय गोंयांतल्या कोंकणी विद्यार्थ्यां कडेन संवाद सादपाची एक संद मेळ्ळी. देखून हांव प्रुडंट मिडियाक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. प्रुडंट मिडियान गांवांतल्या आनी सगळ्या गोंयांतल्या ह्या भुरग्यांक अशे तरेन शिकपाची संद दिवपाचो हो उपक्रम सुरू करून एक बऱ्यांतलो बरो वावर प्रुडंट मिडियान सुरू केला आनी ते खातीर प्रुडंट मिडियाक परबीं फावतात. कारण गांवांतल्या भुरग्यांक नेट ना, रेंज ना आनी ते खातीर कितले तरांचे त्रास ती घेतात. खंयच्या दोंगरार वतात, खंयच्या माडार, झाडार, नळ्यार चडून हे सगळे शिकपाचो प्रयत्न करतात. अशा वेळार प्रुडंट मिडियान हें उखलिल्लें पावल तुस्त आनी तोखणायेक पात्र आसा. देखून जाणें कोणें अशे तरेचे प्रुडंट स्कॉलर्स ही येवजण चालीक लावपाचें जाचे तकलेन आयलें ताका म्हजो सलाम. प्रुडंट मिडिया वयल्यान शिकयतना इतली उमेद आयली कारण हांव फकत म्हज्याच उच्च माध्यमीक विद्यालयांतल्या भुरग्यां खातीर कोंकणी शिकयना तर पुराय गोंयांतल्या 12वेच्या कोंकणी विद्यार्थ्यांक हांव एक पाठ शिकयतां, कविता शिकयतां ही जाणविकाय मनान दवरून आनी हो पाठ चडांत चड बरो जावपा खातीर चडांत चड अभ्यास म्हाका त्या पाठाचो वा कवितेचो करचो पडलो. अशा ह्या म्हत्वाच्या वावराक लागून प्रुडंट मिडियाक परबीं फावतात. तशेंच फाटल्या 14 वर्सां ताणें जें काम चलयलां वा लोकां मेरेन ज्यो बातम्यो पावोवपाचें काम प्रुडंट मिडिया करता ताचेर सगळ्यांचो विश्वास आसा. देखून हजारांनी लाखांनी लोक आयज प्रुडंट मिडियाचे न्यूज पयलीं पळयतात. देखून अशा वेळार हे समयार हांव तांकां परबीं भेटयतां आनी अशेच तरेचें जैत तांकां फुडाराक मेळूंक अशी आस्त आनी हावेस बाळगून देवा लागीं मागतां आनी तांच्या सगळ्या टिमीक हांव दिनवासतां. देव बरें करूं.
I am Mrs. Manisha Naik Udaykar, teaching English Language 1 at Shiroda Higher Secondary School, Shivashail, Shiroda, Goa. I express my deep gratitude to Prudent Media for Prudent Scholars, a fantastic initiative taken up by them in association with Higher Secondary Principals Forum and Lupin Pharmaceuticals. Thank you for making virtual learning a reality for the students of Goa. Prudent Scholars has not only given an unique opportunity for the students to learn from the galaxy of teachers of Goa, but it has also given a platform for us to exhibit our teaching skills. It has indeed alleviated the anxiety level of the parents and the students regarding learning during this pandemic times. Today, as Prudent Media is completing 14 glorious years of reaching out to the people of Goa, on behalf of Shivagram Education Society, I wish them all the best in their future endeavors. Keep up the good work. Thank you.
My name is Maya Murajka from Maria Bamina Higher Secondary, Kunkolim. My experience on Prudent Scholar: in a classroom without student to take a class of facing the camera, that's my new experience. I am very happy because in this pandemic situation, I gave my contributions towards education. Prudent has done a very good job by undertaking the initiative to deliver the content to the students. The team of Prudent Scholars were very helpful, very kind and very cooperative. I wish and I congratulate for completing successful 14 years. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Thank you.
I am Mrs. Shraddha Makran Bandekar, teacher in English at Mustifan Higher Secondary School, Kujira. Teachers, learners and families are at the heart of everything. Although COVID-19 has forced the world to face a disruption with regards to education, the churning of the minds of so many experts in the field of education and technology has led to the genesis of Prudent Scholars. Prudent Media, in association with Principals Forum, provided a unique platform for the teachers to reach out to many students across the state. Prudent Media made sure that each anxious teacher was made to feel comfortable despite it was her first recording for television. I am grateful to my mentors, Principals Forum and also Prudent Media for providing me this opportunity to spread knowledge to children out of my reach. As Prudent completes 14 glorious years, I wish that it takes up many such initiatives to benefit the society at large. Good luck, Prudent.
The fairest blossom which springs out from the soul is gratitude. I am Anselmo Fernandez, teacher from Guardian Angel High Secondary, Kuchara. My heartfelt congratulations to Prudent Media for completing 14 years of yeoman service to the people of Goa. In this pandemic period, lots of challenges have emerged towards education. Prudent Media took the initiative of reaching out to the students through their innovative program, Prudent Scholars. And I say that Prudent Media is very much successful in reaching out to the students during these hard times. Online teaching is going on, but TV educational programs supplements the teaching learning process and gives better understandings of the topics taught to them. Very much thankful to Prudent Media for giving me an opportunity of virtual teaching. It's a new experience to teach without students and to realize how students are important to teachers for teaching. The recording crew was very supportive and encouraging, and I am very much thankful to them. I extend my best wishes to Prudent Media and hope to come up with more innovative educational programs in future. Thank you.
प्रुडंट या इंग्लिश उतराचो कोंकणी अर्थ समंजस, विवेकी, चतुर, जबाबदार, शाणो तशेंच दूरदर्शी. आणि ह्याच नावान चलपी तुमच्या प्रुडंट चॅनलान आतां मेरेन जायते बरे कार्यक्रम प्रसारीत करीत 14 वर्सां यशस्वीरित्या पुराय करून आज 15व्या वर्सान पावल मारलां. त्या निमतान हांव काश्मीरी पावसकार एसएफएक्स उच्च माध्यमिक शिवोलीच्या वतीन तुमकां उर्बे भरीत परबी भेटयतां. अशीच जबाबदारी घेवन आनी दूरदर्शी नदर दवरून तुमच्या ह्या चॅनलान कोविड महामारीच्या काळात शाळा बंद आशिल्ल्यान भुरग्यांचे वर्ग जायनाशिल्ल्यान तुम्ही प्रुडंट स्कॉलर नावाची कार्यावळ सुरू केली. त्या वेळार वेगवेगळ्या संस्थेतल्या शिक्षकांक आपोवन तुम्ही वर्ग घेतले. हाका लागून 10वी तशेंच 12वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांची अडचण पयस जावंक खूप मदत जाली. हांवूय एक भाषा शिक्षक. हांव जेन्ना 12वीचो कोंकणी व्याकरणाचो पाठ घेवन रेकॉर्डिंगाक गेलें त्या वेळार ओंकार फळारी ह्या कॅमेरामॅनान म्हाका बरेच सहकार्य तर दिलेंच, तेच बरोबर रेकॉर्डिंगाचो एक वेगळो अनुभव म्हाका घेवंक मेळ्ळो. उपरांत जेन्ना ह्या कार्यक्रमाचे प्रसारण जालें तेन्ना तर म्हाका परबी दिवपी तशेंच आमची जावं म्हजी तुस्त गावपी जायत्या म्हज्या वांगड्यांचे, पालकांचे, विद्यार्थ्यांचे फोन आनी व्हॉट्सएप मेसेज आयले. त्या वेळार केल्ल्या कामाची पावती मेळिल्ल्याचो आनी वेगळो अनुभव म्हाका घेवपाक मेळ्ळो. खरेंच तुमचो हो उपक्रम तोखणाय करीसारको. तुमकां अशेंच यश आवडेता आनी परतून एकदां तुमच्या चॅनलाक तशेंच तुमच्या समेस्त कर्मचाऱ्यांक मना काळजांतल्यान परबी भेटयता. असोच मोग आसूनी देव बरें करूं.
Hello everyone, this is teacher Vidya Dhaimodkar Naik from Dr. K.B. Hedgewar High Secondary School. I feel myself very much happy and privileged to be a small part of this Prudent Scholars. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate Team Prudent and Higher Secondary Principals Forum for starting with this great initiative in this pandemic, which was need of an hour because they have provided common platform to teachers and student community at large. And I feel more happy because I have seen this entire process for last 3-4 months as it has been done in our own high secondary. I have seen high secondary principals forum. They have been working so tirelessly, so patiently with lot of dedication for last 3-4 months because it requires lots of planning, coordination. The team Prudent, to say about it, they have been very much dedicated. They are very much cooperative while helping the teachers because many of the teachers are facing the camera for the first time. So congratulations to this team. As regards my experience is concerned, I feel myself very much happy and I feel very much confident because with this opportunity I feel that I have increased my confidence level. It has boosted my morale and it has helped me to explore myself because earlier we were just restricted to classroom teaching, and this has given me some new platform, new opportunity, and for this I would like to thank my BOS Pooja Churi ma'am for believing in me and for giving me this opportunity, and all my senior teachers, accountancy teacher Linson Thomas sir, Mallikarjun sir for their help and for their support. And also I would like to congratulate each and every teacher who have come from different parts of Goa and have provided their selfless service to this program called as Prudent Scholars. So really congratulations to all of them. And last but not the least, I would like to congratulate Team Prudent again because till now they have been doing a wonderful job. For last 14 years they have come up with very good projects, very good programs, and I once again wish them all the best in all their future endeavors to come. Thank you one and all.
I am Yashwant Gaonkar from Don Bosco High Secondary, Panjim. I teach beautiful subject called physics and always try to get few megawatt smile on student face. In this pandemic, every stakeholders were trying their level best to reach out to the people. Whether people related to medical field, police, bureaucrats, government machinery was working around the clock. What better way teacher like me would have contributed? Prudent Media gave me best opportunity to reach out thousands of students of Goa. 3 sessions I took was really a altogether different experience. In this little time, putting across many concepts was a tough job, but encouragement from Prudent Media helped a lot. Reaching out thousands people in this pandemic is the best way to celebrate this 14th anniversary. All the best Prudent Media and keep up the good work going.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव प्रेमानंद मस्मा नाईक. गोवा विद्याप्रसारक मंडळाच्या श्रीमती नेली जोयल्लो आगियार उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय फर्मागुडी येथे मराठीचा अध्यापक म्हणून मी कार्यरत आहे. मागे काही दिवसापूर्वी प्रुडंट मीडियाने प्रुडंट स्कॉलर ही समाज उपयोगी अशी योजना आखली आणि त्यामध्ये मला सहभागी होता आलं. त्याबद्दल प्रुडंट मीडियाचं त्याचबरोबर प्राचार्य मंच मी आभार व्यक्त करतो. एक वेगळा अनुभव या ठिकाणी घेण्यासाठी मिळाला. इतर वेळ वर्गात शिकवताना वातावरण वेगळं असतं आणि कॅमेऱ्यासमोर शिकवणं हे एक वातावरण वेगळं असतं. असा एक वेगळा अनुभव या निमित्ताने घेता आला. त्याबद्दल प्रुडंट मीडियाचं खूप खूप आभार. समाजासाठी कार्यरत एक वेगळा उपक्रम त्यांनी राबवला. याचा फायदा यावर्षीच्या मुलांना तर निश्चितच होईल, त्याचबरोबर यापुढं येणाऱ्या वेगवेगळ्या वर्षांच्या मुलांनासुद्धा त्याचा निश्चितच फायदा होईल. आणि अशा या समाजोपयोगी कार्यक्रमामध्ये मलासुद्धा खारीचा वाटा उचलता आला. त्याबद्दल मी प्रुडंट मीडियाचे आभार व्यक्त करतो आहे. प्रुडंट मीडियाने 14 वर्षे पूर्ण केलेली आहेत आणि 15व्या वर्षात ते पदार्पण करीत आहेत. त्याबद्दल त्यांच्या संपूर्ण टीमला मी शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करतो आहे आणि असंच समाज उपयोगी काम त्यांच्या हातून घडू अशी सदिच्छा व्यक्त करतो आहे. त्याचबरोबर अशा प्रकारच्या उपक्रमात आमचाही त्यांनी सहभाग करून घ्यावा अशी त्यांना विनंती करतो आणि परत एकदा त्यांना या त्यांच्या 15व्या वर्धापन दिनानिमित्त शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करतो. धन्यवाद.
Namaskar, my name is Nagesh Sardesai and I am from People's Higher Secondary School, Panji. This experience of online teaching with the help of Prudent Media was indeed a very fitting experience for me in person, as I have handled some classes in the subject of political science. This experiment conducted during the COVID days will go a long way in providing that much needed impetus for the student community to learn in a much better environment rather than coming to the school environment wherein they may be affected by the virus. So this endeavor launched by Prudent Media along with pharmaceutical will go a long way in creating that much needed tonic or boost for students to prepare their lessons as per the lectures delivered by teachers from various higher secondaries across the state of Goa, and commendations go to the Principals Forum of Goa, the major body of the principals of all the higher secondaries in Goa, the Prudent Media of course, and thanks goes to all the teachers who made it possible and who are making it possible for this endeavor taken as a pilot project, which will see surely the light, as they say, at the end of the tunnel, and batch, especially the present batch, which will be answering the public exam in 2021, will definitely derive the benefit to the maximum level. Thanks once again to Prudent Media, Principals Forum, and the Lupin Pharmaceuticals.
Hello everyone, I'm Monica Dias, chemistry teacher at St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School, Mapsa. I wish to congratulate Prudent Media on completing 14 years of connecting with Goans not only in our beautiful state of Goa but all around the world. I also take this opportunity to acknowledge their efforts in connecting with students and bringing the classroom to them in the comfort of their homes through these trying times. I wish them all the very best in their future endeavors and do continue with all the good work. Thank you.
नमस्कार, हांव सुभाष जाण, टीचर ग्रेड 1 अकाउंटन्सी शिकयता आमेय उच्च माध्यमीक विद्यालय कुर्टी फोंडा गोवा. खरें म्हळ्यार प्रुडंटान एक खूब बरो उपक्रम राबयलो, तो म्हळ्यार प्रुडंट स्कॉलर्स. जातूंतल्यान ह्या कोविड पॅन्डेमिकाच्या काळान, ह्या महामारीच्या काळान, ज्या काळान भुरगीं आज शाळांनी येवपाक शकना, अशा काळान व्हिडिओ कंटेंटा मार्फत आमचे सगळे शिक्षक आणि तांचे लेक्चर्स भुरग्यां मेरेन पावली थ्रू प्रुडंट स्कॉलर्स, प्रुडंट मिडिया. हांगा म्हाका धन्यवाद दिन दिसता प्रुडंट मिडियाकूय आनी प्रिंसिपल्स फोरमान, ज्यांनी हो इनिशिएटीव घेतलो आनी ज्या इनिशिएटिव्हींतल्यान हो उपक्रम आज चालीक लागलो. 12वीचे लेक्चर्स 12वीच्या भुरग्यां खातीर आमी अक्षरशः तळमळटाले की ही भुरगीं केन्ना कॉलेजीन येतलीं, तांकां केन्ना आमकां शिकोवपाक मेळटलें, केन्ना क्लास घेवपाक मेळटलें. पूण हें सगळें डिफिकल्ट जालें कारण तशी परिस्थिती नाशिल्ली, तशें सिच्युएशन नाशिल्लें. पूण ह्या कठीण काळांत, कठीण परिस्थितींत प्रुडंट मिडियान आमकां टिचरांक मदत केली आमच्या भुरग्यां मेरेन पावोवपाक. आनीक एक बरी गजाल म्हाका दिसली की फक्त लायव्ह टेलिकास्ट करून रावना, तर हे सगळे व्हिडिओज आज युट्यूबाचेर अवेलेबल आसात. म्हणजे जांकां कोणाक भुरग्यांक हे व्हिडिओज पळोवन दिसता तांणी केन्नाय वचून युट्यूबाचेर हे व्हिडिओ तांकां पळोवपाक मेळटा आनी हे व्हिडिओ सगळ्यां खातीर उक्ते आसा. परतून एक फावट प्रुडंट मिडियाक, प्रुडंट स्कॉलर प्रोग्रामाक आनी प्रिंसिपल्स फोरमाक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
नमस्कार, हांव मनीषा उपाध्ये, कुडचडेंच्या श्रीमती चंद्रभागा तुकोबा नायक उच्च माध्यमीक विद्यालयांत कोंकणी हो विशय शिकयतां. प्रुडंट स्कॉलर्स ह्या कार्यावळी खाला म्हाका एक 12वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर एक पाठ घेवपाची संद मेळ्ळी. हो म्हज्या खातीर एक वेगळोच अणभव आशिल्लो आनी खूब खोसदिणो असो अणभव आशिल्लो. कारण प्रत्यक्ष हांव विद्यालयांत जेन्ना क्लास घेतां तेन्ना भुरगीं म्हज्या मुखार बशिल्लीं आसतात. आनी शिकप आनी शिकोवपाची प्रक्रिया थंय प्रत्यक्ष घडून येता. तांकां समजलां काय समजना हें थंयच म्हाका तांच्या तोंडाचेर किंवा तांचे कडेन उलयतना जाणवता, समजता. ह्या महामारीक लागून इश्कोलां सुरूच जालीं नात तेन्ना ऑनलायन क्लासेस घेवपाची पाळी आमची आयली. ह्या ऑनलायन क्लासेसाचोय अणभव वेगळो आशिल्लो आनी अजून चालू आसा ते ऑनलायन क्लासेस. भुरगीं वेगळे वेगळे कडेन आसतात पूण आमी खंय तरी तांचे कडेन कनेक्टेड आसतात, जोडिल्लीं आसतात. पूण हांगा प्रुडंट क्लासेसांतलो अणभव सामको वेगळो, कारण म्हज्या क्लासाचें चित्रीकरण जालें तेन्ना म्हज्या मुखार भुरगीं नाशिल्लीं. हांव कॅमेऱ्याक पळोवन शिकयतालें पूण खंय ही म्हजी क्लास जी आसा ती पुराय गोंयभरच्या भुरग्यां मेरेन पावतली हाची एक वेगळी खोशी आनी हो एक वेगळोच अणभव म्हाका ह्या प्रुडंट स्कॉलर्स कार्यावळी वरवीं आयलो आनी खूब बरें दिसलें. कारण ज्या भुरग्यांक कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लेम्स आसात, जांचे शिक्षक तांच्या खातीर खाशेले वर्ग घेतात ऑनलायन पूण ते तांचे मेरेन पावनात, ताका लागून तीं खूब भियेल्यां आसतलीं किंवा आबूज जाल्यां आसतलीं किंवा तांकां परिक्षेच्या दृश्टीन खूब भंय दिसता आसतलो, जाल्यार तांच्या भितर आत्मविश्वास निर्माण करपा खातीर आनी तांकां सिलेबस जें आसा तें तांचे मेरेन पावोवपा खातीर प्रुडंट स्कॉलर्स ह्या माध्यमा वरवीं प्रुडंट हो वावर करता. ही खूब तोखणायेची गजाल आसा आनी भुरग्यांक निश्चितपणान हाचो फायदो जातलो. गोंयच्या ह्या सुपुल्ल्या गोंयच्या वाठारांतली ही एक सुपुल्ली वाहिनी जी गोंया खातीर वावुरता. TRPक लागून आयज राष्ट्रीय पांवड्यावेल्यो वाहिनी ज्यो आसात त्यो कितेंय करपाक तयार आसतात, पूण एका ल्हानशा वाठारा खातीर आनी मुखेलपणान कोंकणी मनशा खातीर आशिल्ली ही वाहिनी जे तरेन प्रुडंटचो वावर चल्ला तें पळयलें जाल्यार लोकशाहीचो आधारस्तंभच अशें म्हळ्यार अतिताय जावची ना. गोंयच्या खाची कोनशांतलें समाजकारण, राजकारण, अर्थकारण, भलायकी म्हणुया किंवा पर्यावरण आदी मळांचेर वावुरपी आनी गोंयच्या समाजाक आनी राज्यकर्त्यांकूय बी ह्या बाबतींत जागृताय घडोवन हाडपी गोंयचो भूतकाळ, वर्तमान आनी फुडाराची जाणविकाय आशिल्ली अशी ही वाहिनी. हेच जाणिवेन ह्या महामारीच्या काळांत लोकांक सकारात्मक दृश्टिकोन हाडून दिता आनी तांच्या भितर मानसीक दृश्ट्या सशक्त करपा खातीर वावुरता. आनी हाचोच एक वांटो म्हणून प्रुडंटान 10वी आनी 12वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर हे वर्ग जे चालू केल्ले आसात ते निश्चितपणान गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक एक दिका दितले आनी तांचें मानसीक सशक्तीकरण करतले, तांच्या भितर आत्मविश्वास निर्माण करतले आनी तांकां खूब सिलेबसाच्या नदरेन खूब उपकारा पडटले. हातूंत अजिबात दुबाव ना आनी प्रुडंटान फाटलीं 14 वर्सां तांची जी यशस्वी वाटचाल जाली ताचे खातीर आनी तांकां एक परजळीत फुडार मेळचो म्हणून हांव आवंडेतां आनी तांकां परबी दितां. देव बरें करूं.
Prudent Scholars, powered by Lupin Pharmaceuticals.